Welcome to Snatsuga Video Storytelling Workshop. Hi, I'm Yukiko Sato. I am here to share with you about storytelling power and how to create one. 64% of people purchase after watching branded social video content these days. The numbers are increasing. One of the rapid growth marketing formulas known as a product launch formula that uses video storytelling power to give people value and purchase decision. Over a million of product launch formula owners, including myself, from over 40 different countries, including Japan, they are growing their internet business faster with video storytelling. Video storytelling is the tool to deliver your messages to the right people in short amount of time. Before starting video storytelling workshop, I would like to thank you for completing mini survey last week. I read all your answers. I really appreciate for that. One of the questions I asked was, what is holding you back from using video storytelling for your promotion? Some of you answered that you don't have a story to tell, or my story is boring, or I'm stuck. Those answers made me to think how I can help you to move it forward. So, in this video, I decided to share about two things. First, mindset. Second, reflective writing. When you're stuck, normally you don't know why you're stuck. Fuzzy thinking holds you back. Deep thinking about your mindset and learn reflective writing make it clear. Clarity creates confidence. What are you going to learn from this workshop? It's clarity creates confidence. You will learn three things. You will learn define if you have a fixed mindset, identify cause effects of the fixed mindset, then analyze future developments. Crafting story is a magic tool to know you more. The more you know yourself, the more clarity there is. First topic is mindset. Let me ask you something. Why successful people put into action so quickly? Why unsuccessful people procrastinate? Look at these glasses. Is that glass half full or half empty? The answer is their mindset. What is mindset? Mindset is the way of thinking. There are two different mindsets. One is a growth mindset and the other one is a fixed mindset. Successful people would write their life story without hesitation in a growth mindset. Unsuccessful people would answer that she or he doesn't have a story to tell and procrastinate to write a story in a fixed mindset. That was me in 2 years ago. Now you may have a question why unsuccessful people have a fixed mindset. As my mini bio that I shared last week, I have had a fixed mindset after my business failed. Even I pivoted to new video storytelling business, I was not sure this is the right path. When I tried to change my mindset from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, I changed the words I use, such as from failure is limited my ability to failure is an opportunity to grow. Then I won the best film in mobile device at the AT&T Create-a-thon. That small success proved to me that my decision was right. If you look back on your life, I am sure you have a similar experience of mine. According to Carol Dweck, world-renowned Stanford University psychologist, mindset is a simple idea. In a fixed mindset, the aim is to achieve validation. The person constantly tries to prove himself and is highly sensitive to being wrong or making a mistake. So, failure brings him doubt, demeans his character, and destroys his confidence. As a result, a person with a fixed mindset always feels anxious and is vulnerable to setbacks, criticism. On the other hand, growth mindset is about achieving mastery and competence. The person believes that superb personal qualities can be learned, developed, or cultivated. So, she views failure only as feedback about her performance and not as a judgment of her personality, potential, or value. Therefore, a person with growth mindset feels eager to learn to boost her performance, enjoys exploring, experimenting, and stretching herself. She is not sensitive to criticism and setbacks to don't hurt her so hard. Teaching a growth mindset creates motivation and creativity in the worlds of business, education, and sports. It enhances relationships. Best way to train a growth mindset is to have a role model. Video storytelling is a great way to give someone simulated experience as a role model. Watching inspirational video storytelling help you to nurture a growth mindset. That was first topic, mindset. Hope you enjoy learning about mindset. Second topic is reflective writing. Reflective writing is writing down your thoughts. What you use is very important. Reflective writing. Let me share my story about reflective writings. When Snow Sugar Video's second year anniversary approached, I began to feel anxious, some reasons, and had a bad feeling inside of me. I tried to define what caused my feeling. I wrote down my thoughts to reflect about my feeling. Then I noticed that I compared Snow Sugar Video storytelling business to other startups and blamed myself that we are not grow fast enough. Then I made a list when we have done last 24 months. We created 100 video storytelling about a New York City-based artist. We created 4 small businesses, promotional video storytelling. We launched smartphone video storytelling online courses, video storytelling contests, and webinars. We set up crowdfunding and live streaming. Even though our sales is slow, I noticed that we have done so many things within 24 months. After the reflective writing, I felt better. That reflective writing made things more clear. Clarity creates confidence. That was my story of reflective writing. I am sure that you have a similar story too. Once you have both a growth mindset and reflective writing, that will be your secret formula for your successful life. You would write your story easily. Not only that, you are going to feel eager to learn to boost your performance and enjoy exploring. You are not sensitive to criticism, and setbacks don't hurt you so hard anymore. You should be ready to accept your successful life. I want you to imagine how a growth mindset and reflective writing brings you a successful life. Think about when you have a growth mindset and say something like, failure is an opportunity to grow. I can learn anything I want. Challenge is help me to grow. My effort and attitude determine my ability. Feedback is constructive. I am inspired by successful others, and I like to try new things. Don't you think it sounds very motivational? The reason why I tried to create this anticipated workshop is to help you to avoid the same mistakes I made and would like to have your successful life much easier, much faster. I have been fixed mindset for 7 years unconsciously until I started new journey. Since I published my first video storytelling workshop, I couldn't wait to watch students' video storytelling. But although number of students increased every day, not so much student storytelling was shared on the class project. I was wondered why. I was not able to imagine that most of students stuck on story writing until get survey result. Again, thank you for providing your answers. I am so glad to know you better. Hope this workshop help you to move forward. Springtime is refreshing and glow your energy. It would be the best time to refresh your life and to lead a successful life. I was so happy to put in together step-by-step video storytelling workshop with you. This workshop will be a very interactive workshop. After you discover who you are, you would have no problem to accept your successful life and write your story much easier. That means your future success is around the corner. I can see that you can say, wow, what a simple formula made me feel good. I should have done this long time ago. Thank you for watching this video. Next video, I will answer your question in detail. Also teach you how to craft your story step by step. Hope you enjoy this workshop. If you have a friend who needs this workshop, please feel free to share this email or this link. I would like to hear what you think about this video lecture. Please leave a comment below by clicking the comments button or on YouTube videos comment section. Please make sure to download the PDF worksheet. I would like to give you mini bonus for you that is a script of small sample of mini videos, mini bio. Please click on bonus button and make sure to add your email address to receive. Hope you get motivational and enjoy this workshop. This is the first video of my free video storytelling workshop. Online video storytelling will connect many people worldwide. Again, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video. Hello, how are you doing? Hope you enjoy lesson